If the pre-prayer washing, the wudu, is a means of erasing the sins, and each step to the salah adds a good deed and erases a sin, and waiting for the prayer is a form of jihad, and the dua between the two calls of each prayer is never rejected, and angels make dua for those who stay seated after the salah, then what do you make of the value of the prayer itself? If only we come to realize how gifted we've been with salah. Cherish it, make sacrifices for it. And so before you make any plans for your day, think smart. How will they fit around my 5 daily prayers? That's question number 1. Question number 2, how will they fit around my daily portion of Quran recitation? If you've managed to solve these 2 questions, then go ahead and fit into your schedule whatever else you wish, because you are on solid grounds that day.